Chapter 9. Air, Air Everywhere. Stepping up. Air and its properties. How to keep air clean. Moving air and its uses. Clean air, though we can't see it, it is there swooshing and swishing through your hair. How life would be different without this powerful thing. We wouldn't be able to talk or sing, but most of all it's clean, swirling and spinning around us like a dream, spinning fast, floating slow, changing form, though we may not know, swooshing through trees and their leaves, breathing in, breathing out. The importance of this masterpiece with cleanness. Without it we all would be dreamless. Pollution takes over, ruining the helpful thing we need in our lives. So protect it and pitch in when you help. The earth will win. It will swoosh through your hair, blow a breeze on your face, swish through your favorite place. Breathing in, breathing out, cleanness. By Kate Flint. Isn't it a nice poem? Yes, ma'am. It is. Now we will discuss about air and water in the next 2 chapters. Air is important for us. Air is present all around us. Air cannot be seen, but we can feel it. People, animals and plants need air to breathe. Air keeps us alive. There can be no life without air. We love to spend time in clean and fresh air. What does air contain? Air contains tiny dust particles. Have you seen smoke coming out of vehicles and factories? Where does this smoke go? It gets mixed with the air. Taking in smoke is not good for health. There are germs in the air that can make you ill. You should always cover your mouth while you cough, yawn, or sneeze. Ayush is not covering his mouth while coughing. Germs from his mouth enter Kirti's body. Kirti falls ill. Kirti now knows that she should cover her mouth while coughing, yawning or sneezing. Good girl. She's covering her mouth while coughing. Have you noticed wet clothes dry under the sun? Where does this water go? It goes into the air and forms water vapor. Thus, air contains water vapor. Clean air. We need clean air to breathe. Dirty air is bad for our health. If we breathe air that has smoke, dust or germs, we may get sick. So we should be careful. Never do things that make the air dirty. Grow plants and trees everywhere. Green plants clean the air and keep it cool and fresh. Wind. Moving air is called wind. When the wind moves gently, it is called breeze. The soft breeze makes us happy and feel cool. When the wind blows very fast and strong, it is called storm. Storms can cause damage to buildings, trees, people and animals. Storm causes flood too. Storm causes damage. Wind has direction. Wind blows from one side to another. If birds and planes fly in the direction of the wind, they find it easier to fly. Wind vane. We can find the direction of the wind by looking at a wind vane. It is fixed on the top of building roofs. The cock's beak and the arrow point in the direction of the wind. Fun time. Read the poem and write one rhyming word for the words in blue. The wind. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I, but when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Useful wind. Wind can move things. Sailing boat, flying hot air balloon, windmill. Wind carries small seeds to new places. Air carries seeds, plant from seeds. Wind helps to fly. Flying a kite, aeroplane, bird. Wind helps clothes to dry. Hang the clothes on open air. Wind helps to make water vapor quickly. Water vapor forms clouds. Let us say it again. Air is present all around us. Dust, smoke and germs make the air dirty. Moving air is called wind. Soft, gentle wind is called breeze and strong wind is called storm. Wind has direction. Wind help us in many ways. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. This helps us to fly a kite. A. Smoke. B. Wind. C. Water vapor. 2. These make the air clean. A. Green plants. B. Animals. C. Human beings. 3. Moving air is called A. Wind. B. Water vapor. C. Breeze. 4. Gentle wind is called A. Storm. B. Breeze. C. Rain. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Is present all around us. 2. Air contains tiny particles. 3. We need clean air too. 4. Can move things. 5. Wind helps clothes too. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. 1. Air is important for us. 2. Air cannot be seen but we can feel it. 3. Dirty air is good for our health. 4. Wind blows from one side to another. 5. When the wind blows very fast and strong, it is called breeze. D. Answer these questions. 1. What is a breeze? 2. What causes a storm? 3. How can we find the direction of the wind? 4. How is wind useful to us? Write any two ways. HOTS questions. 1. Wet clothes take a long time to dry in the rainy season. Why? 2. Why should we stay indoors when a strong wind blows? Activity. Make a paper airplane and fly it. Things required: a sheet of paper. Method: follow the steps as shown in the pictures below. Fold the paper along the dashed lines. Your airplane is ready to fly. Life skills. Keep the air around us clean. Do you help others in keeping the air around you clean? Work in pairs and write yes or no. 1. Garbage lying here and there makes the air smell bad. Do you throw garbage in the dustbin? 2. Plants make the air clean and fresh. Do you take care of plants around you? 3. Do you burn bits of paper? 4. Do you burn firecrackers? 5. Do you burn things for fun? Teacher tips. Explain to the children that air cannot be seen but can only be felt. Discuss with them the uses of air. Explain the need for fresh air.